Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Saint-Omer is a small coastal community located in the Gaspé Peninsula of Quebec, along the Gulf of St. Lawrence. It is part of the municipality of Nouvelle in the Avignon region. The community is known for its rural landscape, fishing heritage, and connection to the natural environment of the Baie des Chaleurs region. Saint-Omer has a small population with only a few hundred residents, but it remains an important part of the local history and culture of the Gaspé Peninsula. The area developed through generations of families who settled along the coast and built their lives around the resources of the land and sea. Fishing, farming, and forestry shaped the early economy, with residents depending on the nearby waters and forests for their livelihoods. The community was named after Saint-Omer, a 7th century French bishop, reflecting the strong Catholic influence that was common in many Quebec communities during the early settlement period. Fishing has been one of the most important industries in Saint-Omer and the surrounding region. For generations, families have harvested species such as lobster, cod, crab, and other seafood from the Gulf of St. Lawrence. The history of Saint-Omer is connected to the broader history of the Gaspé Peninsula. Indigenous peoples lived in this region for thousands of years before European settlement, using the coastline and forests for fishing, hunting, and travel. French exploration reached the Gaspé area in the 16th century, and over time, French-speaking communities developed along the coast. These settlements created the culture and traditions that continue throughout eastern Quebec today. The surrounding Baie des Chaleurs area is known for its natural beauty and outdoor opportunities. The coastline features beaches, bays, forests, and views across the water toward New Brunswick. Housing in Saint-Omer and the surrounding Nouvelle area is generally more affordable than in Quebec's larger urban centers. Home prices vary depending on the size of the property, condition, and location, especially for homes near the waterfront. In the broader Gaspé Peninsula region, average home prices are often around $200,000 to $300,000, with some rural properties available at lower prices. Today, Saint-Omer represents the character of many small coastal communities in Quebec. Its identity comes from the relationship between people, the ocean, and the surrounding landscape. While industries have changed over the years, the community continues to reflect the traditions, resilience, and natural beauty that define the Gaspé Peninsula. Thanks for watching!